chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of which word given? What is inheritance? Yes, the things, factors coming from parents to offspring or offspring to parents? Parents to offsprings, right? So Mendel published his work on inheritance. Can you tell me Mendel's work period? 7 years. 1863. So after that, Mendel worked on that inheritance of characters. In 1863 last tha. Then in 1865, right, he published his work by research paper, right? Research paper. कोई भी research करते हैं, then research papers are written, published in different magazines and all that. But for several reasons, it remained unrecognized till 1900. Right? 19th century में microscope discovery start हो गया था. Next, so what are the reasons behind that? This topic you have to prepare for 2 mark questions theory. Why Mendel's work remained unrecognized till 1900? For that 4 reasons are given. First reason very easy. आज के टाइम पे आप कुछ न्यू फाइंड आउट करो, है ना, कुछ न्यू प्लेस एक्सप्लोर करो, तो कैसे उसको पब्लिश कर? सोशल मीडिया, isn't it? है ना? And very easily this thing can become viral, spread. Over during that time, 18th के टाइम पे, right? This was not there. So communication was not easy as it is now in those days, and his work could not be widely published. Okay? Research paper. See, आज के डेट पे अगर आपको भी रिसर्च करना, you have to study about that research paper. Nowadays, so many research papers are that available on internet, right? So first problem कहाँ पे था? Communication was not easy. Second, that his concept of gene according to Mendel, it's what? Factors as stable and discrete units. याद है? First law में दिया था stable and discrete units are control the expression of the traits. Yes or no? Capital T है तो किसको कंट्रोल करेगा? Tallness. Small t dwarf. Capital Y small y. Yes. So stable discrete units that control the expression of traits and of the pair of alleles which did not blend according to Mendel, right? उन्होंने जितना explain किया, in that no blending, complete dominance था और incomplete no blend with each other was not accepted by his contemporaries. जो oppositions होता है ना, right? In that वो बोल रहे कि variations are present in nature. Right? They told us what? Variations are seen in nature. So in that, जो alleles है, right? That should be what? Blend with each other and form new characters. Mendel ने तो क्या बोला? This allele should remain as it is. Do not blend with each other. इसलिए ये point उनका accept नहीं हो रहा था. Right? That was not accepted by his contemporaries as an explanation for the apparently continuous variation seen in nature. Right? So this is the reason, one of them, that Mendel's work still remain unrecognized till 1900. First क्या था? Very easy. Communication was not easy. Second, that Mendel's gave us that factors, genes, they are stable discrete unit in that no blending. But this thing is accepted by other? No. Why not? Variations are seen in nature, and they told something that blending should be occur, and then the variations can form. Next, जो third point है, in that Mendel's approach of using what? उन्होंने statistical analysis ही दिया ना, मैथ्स. अभी के टाइम पे आप बायो हो या कोई भी सब्जेक्ट में रिसर्च करो, मैथ्स कंपलसरी है, राइट? बट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम 1856, 1863, 1865 ये टाइम जो है, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम बायोलॉजी मीनिंग प्योर बायोलॉजी इन दैट नो मैथ्स, राइट? इट्स लाइक अ जोक, ऐसा था. सो ही यूज्ड व्हाट? मैथमेटिक्स टू एक्सप्लेन biological phenomenon was totally new and unacceptable to many of the biologists of his time. Finally, though Mendel's work suggested that factors were what? discrete units, he could not see. Mendels ने क्या suggest किया? That some factors are coming from parents to offsprings. Some factors are coming. But आपको भी अगर मैं बोलूं कि ये यहाँ से है, अभी बोलो कुछ बताओ तो सही, proof दो. Same thing over here. That other scientists want physical proof. Physical proof कब possible होगा? जब microscope available होगा, right? So that last reason ये है, though the Mendel's work suggested that factors were discrete units, he could not provide any physical proof for the existence of factors or say what they were made up of. कि factors क्या है, किससे बने, that Mendel should tell. But without microscope, this thing was not possible during that time. So basically 4 reasons are there. First reason was not easy. Second में क्या आया? Second, that according to Mendel's, that's they are what? Factors are discrete stable units. They do not. But this thing was not accepted by his. Why? Variations are so that they told him that blending should be there, right? फिर next क्या आया? Maths, है ना? So maths used to explain biological phenomenon. This thing was also not acceptable during that time by some of the biologists or scientists. Next क्या हुआ? Other scientists want what? Physical proof of what? For the factors, existence of factor or what that factors are made up of from which compounds, right? Proteins से बने हैं, lipids है, sugar से क्या है? They need that, right? So due to this basic 4 reasons, Mendel's work remained unrecognized till 1900. Though Mendel's work suggested that factors, ये लाइन मेरी यहाँ पे repeat हो गई है, right? Physical proof ही है basically इसका. बोलिए. Clear? So which are the 4 reasons? First, communication. Second, according to Mendel's, factors are units and do not blend with each other. But not accepted by others. Why? They told they believe in blending, right? Then third, mathematics used in explain the biological phenomenon, वो भी accept नहीं हुआ. Next, physical proof for what? Of that factors, and factors are made up of what? Clear? So these are the 4 reasons. So prepare this topic for 2 marks. Stop.